here at Uberwork Auto Salon, and this is the first video that I'll be doing for one of our project cars. So this is our very first project car that we will be documenting from start to finish.
A few moments later.
So we'll be trying to revive this 1985 Porsche 944 in Guards Red, and we got this as a Barnfind, and it has no engine. So I have the engine bay cleaned up already, and as you can see, there is no engine. So according to the previous owner, the mechanic took it away. So yeah, one of the very cool features of this car is that it has pop-up headlights like this one, and it's a front engine and has a rear transaxle, but we will be changing that soon when we do a transplant. So let's take a look at the interior. The exterior, as you see, it's really worn out with rust all around. So that needs to be removed before we restore it to its original glory. There. But the dashboard is intact, although there are visible stains already. Obviously the steering wheel needs replacing. The seats are good, actually. There is one tear here which we can fix. So I'm thinking if we need to change this fabric because it's faded. Also found something interesting. So this is the original head unit of the car. It's a Blaupunkt Monterey, and I've tried a quick search on eBay on the prices, and look at it. Wow, look at that price. So that's a quick update, and a lot of things have to be done. So follow this channel, you can click like and subscribe, and stay tuned. I'm gonna change this car into something better.